Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the right canned tomato. Use one 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes or two 8-ounce cans peeled for texture control. Pour 2 tablespoons olive oil into a saucepan over medium heat, then add 1 small chopped onion and saute until translucent, about 5 minutes, stirring to prevent browning. Add 1 minced garlic clove and cook 30 seconds for aroma before adding tomatoes. This gentle start builds a savory base and helps mask any metallic can notes while creating a fresher flavor profile. Once the tomatoes are in the pan, stir in 1 tablespoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoons salt to balance acidity and enhance sweetness without making the sauce cloying. For brightness, add 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar or 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Acid added late lifts the overall flavor and prevents flatness. Bring to a low simmer and simmer gently for 20 minutes, uncovered if you want thicker sauce, stirring occasionally so flavors meld and the metallic canned note cooks out while reducing water and concentrating taste. Finish your sauce by stirring in herbs and a fat for roundness. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil or 1 teaspoon dried basil provides herb aroma, and for richness stir in 2 tablespoons butter or 1 tablespoon olive oil off heat to emulsify. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper for heat or 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce for umami and depth. Serve immediately with pasta or cool and refrigerate up to 4 days. Reheat slowly and add a splash of water if it thickens too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.